Let's take a look at the simple and easy steps to install the new Panasonic air conditioner inverter models. First, place the box vertically. Without removing the shock absorber, lift the box cover completely off. Then remove the installation plate. For installation, you will require the following tools. Now that you have all your tools ready, let's begin the easy breezy installation. The new models feature a stronger and solid installation plate that provides more stability and strength. To prepare the indoor unit, you will first need to open the intake grill and unfasten the screws on the cover to open up the front grill. Then, slide the 3 slider locks to the unlocked position and lift off the front grill. That's it. Now it's time to mount the unit on the wall. Next, just hook the unit over the installation plate as shown and gently lock it. The new model features a built-in support holder, making installation easier. Simply unfasten it and let the holder rest against the wall, providing convenience and workspace improvements. The newly designed access provides easy view and access to the drain hose, which allows for a much easier setup. The new models also come with an improved piping space, which is bigger, making pipe installation a breeze. Compared to the previous models with 2 wire inserts, the new models have integrated and combined it into one, ensuring front visibility and convenience while inserting wires from the back. With the larger piping space, you can easily ensure that the pipes and insulations are securely and neatly tucked in. For uneven surfaces, you may secure the unit with 2 additional screws to ensure a neat and secure installation. Lastly, just replace the front grille. Slide the slider lock to the locked position. Fasten the screws. And you're done. It's an easy breezy installation. The new model comes with a one-piece front grille design to make servicing easier. First, open the intake grille and remove the screws. Next, slide the 3 slider locks. Once done, remove the front grille. Removing the PCB is also easier with the new model. Just remove the control board cover. Disconnect connectors from the indicator. Disconnect all connectors. And just pull out the main PCB in 4 easy steps. The new models are also carefully designed to make removal of cross-flow fans a breeze compared to the previous models, saving you valuable time. With the new visible piping storage, you can inspect pipes for leaks easily without lifting up the unit. Cleaning the drain hose is easier now. With unobstructed access, simply unplug and plug it back with complete ease. It's an easy, breezy service.
Panasonic.